Hello everybody! I hope you've all had an amazing half term and welcome back to your first science lesson. This half term we're going to be looking back at materials. Now I know you've already looked at this topic, but what can you remember? Can you pause the video now and click the YouTube link to our materials song? The first material we're going to look at today is wood. Wood comes from trees. Wood is hard and strong. Now what I'd like you to do is pause the video and with your adult talk about objects that might be made out of wood. Well done everybody. Here's a selection of objects I found that are made out of wood. You could have tables, chairs, toys, garden fences. Did you think of any others? The next material we will look at is metal. Metal is made out of rocks. Metal is strong and shiny. Can you think of any objects that are made out of metal? Pause the video and have a little chat with your adult. Excellent ideas, Year 1. Here are a few objects I thought of that could be made out of metal. What about your knives, forks and spoons that we eat our dinner with? Our keys that we let ourselves in the door with, the nuts and bolts that hold our chairs and tables together. Well done. The next material we will look at is plastic. Plastic is man-made and there are many different types of plastic. Plastic is all around us. Plastic can be rigid, which means you can't bend it or force it out of shape, but it can also be bendy. Have a little look around your home and see if you can see anything made out of plastic. On this slide is a selection of objects I have found that are made out of plastic. Some plastic straws in our drinks, plastic water bottles we drink our water out of, plastic chairs to sit on, and what about our Lego that we've got at home, guys? That's made out of plastic too. The next material we will look at is glass. Glass is made out of very fine sand. Glass is strong and clear. Another word we can use for clear is transparent. Can you say that with me, Year 1? Transparent. Transparent. Well done. Transparent means it's clear and we can see through it. Have a little look around your home and see if you can see anything that's made out of glass. Have a little think of all the different objects that may be made out of glass. Pause the video and have a chat with your adult. Well done, Year 1. Here's a few objects that Miss Stewart has found that are made out of glass. The windows we look out of, they are clear, they are transparent, they're made out of glass. The glasses we drink our juice and our water out of, and the spectacles we put on, they're made out of glass. The next material we will take a look at is water. Water is natural. It's found all around us. In fact, 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Now, have a really good think with your adult. And can you come up with an object that may be made out of water? Pause the video and have a little chat. Did you find that tricky, Year 1? Miss Stewart did. The object I came up with was an ice cube. Don't worry about it though. We're going to be looking at ice closer in lesson 3 of our science lessons. The final material we will look at today, Year 1, is rock. Rock is a natural material. It hasn't been made by man. Rock is hard and it can be rough or smooth. Pause the video and have a little think with your adult of objects that can be made out of rock. Great thinking, everybody. Here are a couple of objects that Miss Stewart have found that are made out of rock. The stone walls when we're out walking in the countryside, the pebbles on the beach, and some ornaments can be made out of rock too. here is your activity for today, Year 1. What I would like you to do is become scientists. I would like you to go on a scavenger hunt around your home, looking at different objects and thinking about the material they're made out of. So, my first object could be a door. The material it's made out of is wood. On your activity sheet is a table. I have listed all the materials we have talked about today. Your job is to find the object that is made out of that material. Have an amazing day, Year 1, and I can't wait to see all of your work.